Estudyante pa lang ako, guys. Ano, fourth year student. Kaya, huwag na kayo nasa hindi lahat ng babae dito sa Bicol is katulad ng mga ina-expect nyo. Thank you, Rukawa. I hope you can give me a car. Thank you, inactive. Ngayon ka na lang ulit na padaan. Kaya yan, guys. Hindi naman ako apektado sa mga pinagsabi ng mga yan kasi hindi naman totoo. Thank you, Daddy. Thanks, Daddy Rude. Welcome back to my life. Can you give me a skincare routine? I don't have any skincare. I just washing my face with facial wash only. That's all. Skincare routine po ba yan? Tingnan nyo. Grabe breakout. Hello, have a great, wonderful evening at you, my beautiful, lovely friend. How's your day? My day is good. It went well. Para sa stress na student, yeah, blessed skin, I would say. Hindi talaga siya blessed skin. Tignan nyo nga, sobrang pangit ng ano, pag walang